SARS, which was in 2002, and MERS, which was in 2012, kind of gave us a heads up on how we needed to start thinking about situations like this. So I think our past history, our experience with vaccines and immunization, and the new technology that kind of ties into it, as Dr. Mansky outlined, have really provided an opportunity where we were very fortunate to be at that point. The next step is, once we have the opportunity to have a vaccine that works, or in this case several, is how to get it through the process to make sure that we have safety in mind. And that's normally what takes a great deal of time, is putting it through the different clinical phases of the approval, the FDA approval process. And to just shorten it up a little bit, you've got phase 1, which tests the dose in just a very few people to see if they experience any major side effects. If it's a dose dependent medicine, they would increase the dose until they have side effects. In this case, that's not exactly how they did it in step 1. But in phase 2, they roll it out to a larger contingent of several thousand people. And again, this is through all of these phases of clinical trial, there's an emphasis on safety. If there's a red flag that pops up about safety, that's going to halt or at least slow down the procedure. And if it goes well in phase 2, then in phase 3, that's where they roll it out to thousands and thousands of people. So in this case, thousands and thousands of people actually had the vaccine. And they're monitoring for efficacy, safety, and we want to make sure that not only is it safe, which we've figured out from previous phases, is that now that it's going to be effective to some extent. We want to know that we're going to get some benefit out of it. And also, by rolling it out to these thousands and thousands of people in phase 3 trials, it gives us a much broader range of people who have a variety of genetic differences, socioeconomic differences, all sorts of different lifestyles and such. And it tends to pop up potential problems much more effectively than in a small group. Where this vaccine got to market so quickly was everything that we've talked about up to this point. But in a standard FDA approval process, they need to continue and finish phase 3 trials, and then present the information they've got from the trials back to the FDA, this is an ongoing process that they're involved with every step of the way. And then the FDA then decides if this is something that is where the benefit sharply outweighs the potential harm.